Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Today, we're going to show you how to convert a PDF file into an Excel file. This is a simple process. All you need is the PDF file, Microsoft Word, and Excel. After you open the PDF file in Word, you will be prompted to convert the document into an editable version. The document may look different from the original version, as this sometimes happens when the PDF contains a lot of graphics. Once you have the document in Word, select the data table and copy it. Then open Excel and paste the data table into a cell. Make sure you select the Keep Source Formatting option when you paste. Voila! You now have the data table from the PDF document transferred into an Excel sheet, where you can edit the data as you wish. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us to learn to excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.